Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power and app readiness. Charge the Roam fully and install the Akai app so you can update firmware and manage presets. Once charged, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power up. The LED blinks to show pairing mode. You do this because firmware and battery health prevent unexpected shutdowns and ensure stability. Make sure to grant Bluetooth permissions in the phone settings. Once done, the unit is discoverable and ready for the first connection. You now pair and configure the Roam. Open your phone Bluetooth list and select Akai Roam. Accept pairing prompts to establish the link. Once paired, open the Akai app to configure EQ, volume limiter, and input routing. These settings optimize sound and prevent clipping. You should set the sample rate and assign pads or streaming sources in the app because that determines latency and recording quality. Make incremental adjustments while playing audio so you can hear changes, and you finish by performing and saving your work. Trigger pads or stream audio over Bluetooth and monitor through headphones or the main output to catch levels. You should record takes inside the app and then save to internal memory or export via USB-C for editing. Doing so ensures no data loss. If you run into issues, check Bluetooth connection first, then app permissions, firmware version, and battery level, because those 4 items resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.